Microsoft Windows 11 22S2 automatic update won't force reboot system. Microsoft has started forcibly installing Windows 11 22S2 on system still on Windows 11 21S2. The original release version 21S2 won't reach the end of the service period until at least October 3. But the user will be automatically updated on the new version whether they like it or not. According to Microsoft documents, Windows 11 version 21S2 was released on October 4, 2021 and will reach its end of service period on October 10, 2023 in the upcoming weeks. Millions of users of version 21S2 will be required to switch to the most recent version of the operating system. Version 22S2 aka Windows 11 2022 update. It's generally not a good idea to force upgrade user to a different version of Windows as it might annoy some folks, but the decision has been made to ensure all consumer PC remain fully up to date. Unlike Windows 11 21S2, the new version 22S2 is far more stable and better, thanks to the recent monthly updates. Additionally, Windows end of service is a critical deadline for both consumer and enterprises. When a version hits the update deadline, it won't receive security update that patch up newly discovered vulnerabilities by forcing user to upgrade to version 22S2. Microsoft hopes to improve the overall security of the Windows community. No reboot, force reboot. You will have control over the update. Microsoft officially cleared confirm user won't be forcibly upgrade to the new version of Windows 11. Your device won't be rebooted during work or any other activity. The automatic update means downloading the update files and getting the PC ready for installation. It doesn't mean Microsoft will reboot the system in the middle of your gameplay or anything as such. You will have the ability to choose a convenient time for the device to restart and complete the update, a company spokesperson said. Windows 11 22S2 is a decent update. Windows 11 22 is stable enough and users should upgrade to the new version by manually checking for update if they have not done yet. Alternatively, Windows 11 22S2 can be installed using ISO images or rely on the most stable method of upgrades. And in place upgrade. This feature update began rolling out in the October of 2022, introducing support for the highly anticipated drag and drop for the taskbar, more robust snapping functionality, tabs in the file explorer, and broader improvements to the operating system. Microsoft is also preparing several moment updates for Windows 11 which could arrive in the coming months with more functionality including support for second on the taskbar and more.